Lecture 11147, a Korean Proverb. Master, I thank you. Among the Korean Proverbs, there is one that says, people who receive many insults live longer. I believe there's a specific reason behind this statement. Is it true? If so, I'd like to ask you to teach us the underlying natural principles. Receiving insults is absolutely one of your tasks in life. It doesn't mean you have done something wrong. On the contrary, it's an opportunity to grow. When you strive to do something, naturally there will always be someone who has something to say. These people share their point of view as a contribution. If you can accept criticism as the recipient, it will be a great opportunity for your growth. A person who develops is capable of doing great things. Refusing to advance means you cannot accomplish great things. If you take the wrong path and someone criticizes you, being open to change means you are capable of doing great things. Leading someone to progress means assigning them great tasks. So it's natural for them to live longer to fulfill these duties. Consequently, receiving insults can lead to a longer life. At some point, it's important to become a person who receives gratitude instead of criticism. If you constantly receive insults throughout your life until death, this indicates you haven't accomplished anything significant and have merely endured a life filled with hardships and criticism. Continuing to receive insults in old age means that you have failed to evolve and you will die miserably since you are not able to fulfill what you were supposed to do in your life. Receiving insults is an opportunity for self-reflection. By learning from criticism and constantly changing your attitude, you can cease receiving insults. The outcome of situations depends on how they are approached. Receiving insults becomes indispensable for personal growth. A person targeted with insults has much to do and is an extraordinary individual. Truly brilliant people with a high quality of energy often face criticism. Those of little importance do not need to receive insults. Knowing yourself is crucial. Just because someone insults you, it doesn't mean you have to believe them. Extract the best from the situation and try to understand the person's perspective. Reflecting on oneself and uncovering what is not known leads to continuous progress. Blaming others should be avoided. The circumstances and environments offered to you are yours to use. Blaming others doesn't make you progress. It's your responsibility. Don't blame others for your life. Starting in 2013, those who blamed others began to notice that life became increasingly difficult. Heaven is trying to guide you away from blaming others. You have the freedom to continue down that path, but it will present greater difficulties. Abandon hatred and blame toward others and become a person who knows how to look within yourself. That is all you have to carry with you. Rejoice in receiving insults. From then on, find your path and make it shine with wisdom, okay?